Dr. Nichelle Gerlay, specialized in prenatal, postpartum, and pediatric chiropractic care, along with prenatal and postpartum and fitness and rehab. We're gonna review how to foam roll the quad muscles. So you're gonna take the foam roller, and I'm gonna do both at the same time, because sometimes they're tender, doing both is a little easier. So I'm gonna lay down, get onto my forearms, and then I'm just gonna roll all along my quad muscle. So I'm gonna go from my hip crease all the way down to my knee. And then now I'm gonna do something different where I'm gonna turn my toes in and roll, same thing. Turn my toes out and roll again. And if you find a spot in the muscle that is a little tender, you can stay there and kind of rock on that one spot. Now, to do one at a time, just to get a little more pressure, you're gonna center yourself, overlap your other leg on top of the other one, and then come in. So right now I'm just doing all the pressure is on one quad and not on both. So sometimes it's a little too tender, doing both at the same time is a little easier. And that is how to foam roll the quadricep muscles.